Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the left guide rail assembly in this LG refrigerator, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Lift the front of the shelf assemblies up and unhook them from their slots and pull them out. Pull out the crisper drawers. Push up underneath the glass shelf and pull the shelf out. Next, pull out the crisper drawer assembly. Extend out the deli drawer and lift up to remove. Unthread the 2 screws located at the front of the guide rail assembly. Then pull the front inward to free the tab in the back. Remove the new left guide rail assembly from the packaging. Insert the new guide rail assembly into the slot and screw in the 2 screws. Guide the deli drawer into its tracks and slide it into the fridge. Insert the crisper drawer assembly back into the fridge cavity. Insert the glass shelf horizontally and slide the crisper drawers back into place. Hook the shelf assemblies into their slots and gently set them. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.